Are you looking for a home that checks all the boxes? Let's start with this one with this amazing view back here. Okay, let's see how many more boxes we can check off your list. As you come in through this property, this is such an open floor plan with your living, dining, and kitchen. One of the things I love about this property is that from every window, you're seeing tea leaves, local plants, the huge mountains, and it feels like you're in a jungle, which is amazing. Another huge check mark for me is this kitchen. So it was redone. You have this beautiful light-colored backsplash, gorgeous tile floors, and it's gonna lead you right out to the lanai. And if I lived here, this is where I would spend all of my time. Talk about million-dollar views. If that's on your checklist, this one is gonna check that box for you. Also just love all of the local plants, hearing the chickens that we have in Hawaii. If you don't know about that, give me a call, we can chat. You do have a half bath with your washer dryer downstairs, so if you have guests, they don't have to go through your house. If you need storage, we're gonna check that box with this room, goes all the way behind the staircase. And then we'll go upstairs and see what's next. All right, coming up the stairs, you're immediately greeted with one bathroom that's gonna be shared between two of the bedrooms upstairs. And then as we walk down the hallway, we do have a really nice size primary bedroom. So again, you've got the mountain views from the bedroom, you've got our oversized closet, and you have an ensuite, checking more of those boxes. Continuing down the hall, again, we have more storage here, which if you're new to Hawaii, storage is at a premium. This is one of the extra 2 bedrooms, and this is really, really a large bedroom for Hawaii standards. You've got the natural light, you've got all of the jungle looking kind of plants and trees, the mountains, making it just a great place to hang out and to be. Last but not least, we have one more bedroom. So this is going to be the 3rd bedroom of the property. Again, stunning views. You feel the breeze coming in, keeping you cool because we don't have AC in a lot of our houses in Hawaii, and this would be one of them. Our newest listing has absolutely breathtaking views. For this 3 bedroom, 2 bath, under $700,000 with a view like that right outside your front door, you are in luck. We're going live this week. If you want a showing, give me a call today.